So welcome back to a new video. Today I want to just recap my trade that I took on my funded account, and I will just show you why I took it and give you my thought process and also what other pairs are matching. Before we get into the video though, I want to quickly introduce my partner, my Flash Funding. I'm not just saying this because they're my partner. I really like this prop firm and I think it will be one of the biggest in the future. They have such a small profit target by just 6%, which is easily obtained by just two 1 to 3 risk reward trades. And if you want to get yourself an account, this is my code, link is in the description, and let's go into the video. Here you can clearly see that it's doing the same thing as here, because it's just an, there's XX USD pairs and there's USD XX pairs. They just kind of move the similar since they're both connected with a major currency, US dollars. So it's really easy to see or identify a bias if you know that those are matching. So the first thing I do, I can actually delete everything. I normally go into 1 hour. This is German times, but it's whatever. And I want to find clear consolidations. And clear consolidations would be here, for example, this area. So I take this whole thing and I mark it out, make a line here, and I can delete it again. Then we see that. Okay, it's good again. So then we see that we have a consolidation here, even though it's more trendy, I still think it's a valid consolidation, so I mark it out here. And I think these are the major consolidations in 1 hour. And now I go in lower time frames in like 15 minutes and search for the same thing here. And we can see that we had a kind of consolidation from here to here. And mark that out. It's even matching with the one kind of like it's in this area. It's not always a line, it's more of an area. And we see that there's a lot of volume in this area. And it's more likely to actually go down now again since we had an impulsive move. Always after impulsive move there will be a retracement, so we actually gonna catch the retracement. It's probably gonna go towards this whole area here, so we mark out this consolidation as well. So we know the highest point that it could react off, and then we can just kind of take profits here, you know. And now we're just gonna search for more consolidations. This one is important. I think that's it. Can delete everything. So we have the important levels. We have like this one. This is like a low time frame one, so we can mark it differently maybe. And this is the high time frame ones. And we can clearly see that we went off this like volume area. You know, it normally moves in consolidations around that, but there we had the impulsive move. That means that we're probably gonna go away from it, probably gonna go for all the way up here for the liquidity, but at some point just has to retrace. So we're gonna catch the retrace, matching with this volume area here, also an order block. Like this whole thing is an order block, you can clearly see it. So we're in an order block, we're in a volume area, we have a lot of confirmations, and also if we take our Fibonacci from here to here, we see that we have our golden zone here. That's why I made my stop loss above that, you know, or in this golden zone. So we have this matching, and now we're just gonna have to find the TP or where we actually want to take profits, because obviously we could take profits here, but it's way too risky since there's a lot of like things in the way. So I would take multiple TPs. First thing that we see is that our daily open is actually here. Can mark it out real quick. Daily open here. So we see that we could retrace off that, so I would make the first TP there, even though it's like a really bad risk reward. I would just don't make stop loss break even after that, but I would make like my stop loss around here in the middle of the golden zone, which is fine. I entered, I think here. No, it didn't enter here. I entered, I don't know, it's somewhere around there. Doesn't really matter. And then I just aim for first daily open. This is like a shitty risk reward, but it doesn't matter. I just want to like kind of have safe profits, even though this is like way too small actually. Like this is kind of dumb. I normally at least want like 0.5 risk reward or some, but whatever. What I wanted to say is we want to then consider like the next TP, which would be around here, since we have an order block here and the volume area here. So we're just gonna take our Fibonacci again, as always. And we see we have the 50% mark here and the volume area here. and the order block here, so you can just aim for this with some breathing, not breathing room, but like that we for sure take it. I would make it like here, and then we have a good 1 to 2 risk reward. Actually, just I wouldn't take it with 1 to 2 risk reward. I wouldn't take it at the daily open. I didn't do it right now. I just thought about it because I saw it in a way. And yeah, that's my recap. It's a really short video, but I don't really know what to upload. Also focusing on the Thunder right now. I hope it helped you, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section. I also have a Discord server where you can ask me anything. Also hosting giveaways there, and link is in the bio. See you next time. Bye bye.